What's up, guys, and welcome to another weekly recap of every single trade taken this week. This week was absolutely perfect. It was just like last week, no losing at all. Every single trade that I placed was a winning trade, but unfortunately, I haven't received my funded account yet. I'm still getting the verification. I'm still getting also a couple more stuff. I have a pending interview as well. I don't know why that funded or that prop firm has all those requirements for them to give you a funded account, but it is what it is. We're just gonna follow them and hope for the best. This week I missed out on approximately $9,000 of profit, which could have potentially been a payout next week or even this past week, and it could have been 80% of that amount that I just said. But anyways, it's still good. It means that my strategy is working pretty well right now with how gold is moving, which it's been moving pretty nice. Over here you can see the whole week was trending bearish. A beautiful trend, perfectly made. So here's the first trade. Let's go check it out. It was probably on Tuesday. So yeah, over here it was the first trade. I think I erased it by accident, but it was a sell. Let's put this in a replay mode. You know what? It's no need. It's no need. It's no need. So it was this right here. Where's the short position? Right here. So as you can see over here, the market as soon as 9:30 touched, which is New York Open, it did a bearish engulfing after it touched this strong zone over here, and as long as we stayed under this zone right here, it was going to be a sell. And typically when the market touched this area right here, is a pretty big move to the downside. I'm going to show you guys after I put this real quick what happened last time it touched that zone. It was the same movement. So the market pretty much repeats itself most of the times, and I would have not catch the whole move. That's completely a lie if I tell you that I would have done that. I would have hold to my regular 70 pips to 60 pips. And then I'm gonna show you guys right now what usually happens. So basically every time it touches this zone right here, it's a massive move to the downside. Ignore all those letters in Spanish, all those words in Spanish. I was just trying to teach my girlfriend how to trade. But currently it's kind of hard for her to understand it, but eventually I'm going to make her understand it. I promise you I'm a good explainer. I'm the best teacher in this industry. You're going to know probably by next year once you guys start following me and stuff and I start mentoring you. You're going to notice I'm going to make you some money. But here you go with the second trade. It was on Wednesday. Pretty easy trade, self-explanatory. It rejected this strong area of support. Waited for 9:30, of course, when the volume comes in from New York Open, and then instantly bought. Pretty quick trade. Let's look at it in the 5-minute time frame. You're gonna see the 5-minute time frame is gonna look so nice on this trade. I remember vividly this trade, how it was moving. So look, as soon as this started, kind of like giving an entry to go to the downside, but I kind of knew that it was kind of like a fake out because it's a strong zone. Like this zone, most of the times, it's respected. Even though we're trending low, I was like kind of skeptical about this going to the downside without doing a steep pullback. So I just waited until it eventually did this bullish engulfing, and I was like, okay, that's not enough because it probably can't open up and start going to the downside. So as soon as I start seeing volume coming up to the upside, like above this candlesticks right here, I bought, and then instantly in profits. It was like about less than 10 minutes on that trade. Pretty quick trade. It was probably because a news came out and made the market move that quick. I'm not sure, but I just follow my rules. Basically following the same move that happened the week before, the day before, excuse me. And yeah, it was pretty easy. Then let's go to Thursday. Let's move pretty fast on this video. Also, if you have made it to this part of the video, make sure you subscribe and like this video and comment, share it, everything. There's a lot of free knowledge in this video, so make sure to watch all of them if you're pretty interested in trading or day trading gold. I specifically trade gold because for me, it's the easiest one to trade. You can trade it at any time, every day except for Saturday and Sunday, of course, or bank holidays, which is not going to be a lot of movement. Any session, I trade New Year's session, but sometimes I trade Tokyo and sometimes I trade London, and it will give good entries at any time. Of course, that comes with experience. You're not going to come in and the first day make $1 million. No, it's a lie. Trading is simple, but it's hard. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's a simple way. Well, the hardest way to make simple money or easy money or whatever. Let's keep going with Thursday. Okay. So Thursday, easy trade. Market's trending bearish. And then over here you see the 930. As soon as it opened, I didn't want to enter this position low key because the volume was moving pretty quick and it was not giving a good entry. So what I did was that I waited for the volume to go under this candlesticks right here in the 5-minute time frame. And then as soon as that I saw that volume was kicking in pretty hard, I entered the position. It was kind of like an impulsive position, to be honest. But I kind of knew that the market was going to make a new lower low. But I kind of wanted to target this area right here to make it to play it safe. Even though I kind of knew that the market was going to go all the way down here, which I think it did this day. Yeah, it did. And then this would have been an awesome sell right here. Perfect break retest of this strong support zone and then made it a resistance and instant profits. So beautiful. But yeah, gold is moving pretty nice. It's rare to see gold moving this nice every single day. So hopefully it moves like this every single day as long as President Trump is the president, because that really depends most of the times of the news and what's happening in the world and how the dollar and the stocks is moving. All of this is kind of like correlated, even though. So this past week, the week before this one, gold was going up, which was pretty weird. I feel like it was manipulation just because like crypto was going down, stocks were going down, and I was kind of surprised that gold was going up. And then I feel like this past week was when gold started correlating with all the markets, and now you can basically sell. Well, they trade and short the stock market or short the dollar or short anything, and it's basically going to be correlated with gold and how everything is moving. So I feel like right now is a good time to start learning day trade and actually profit from this moments, because it's kind of rare that the market moves this perfect. And then this was on Friday. Literally amazing entry. This is a perfect entry for me. So market's still trending bearish. You can see it went all the way down. Then this 15-minute candlestick leave a massive rejection of this area right here. And then as long as you see this kind of closure, is a perfect entry for a sell. And of course, if it's trending down, bro, just hold this trade. This would have been an awesome, like, probably a 200 pip trade. I don't remember quite honestly to where it got, but I'm pretty sure it touched this zone. Let's check it out. Well, it didn't. So it is what it is. It was a good trade at the end of the day. But yeah, basically this is it for the video. As you can see, this week was another unbeaten week. I wish I could have been funded this week. Well, I'm basically funded, but I'm just waiting for that account. I would have made so much money. But let's see how next week gold start moving. Hopefully start moving like this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, share, comment, subscribe, everything. Make sure to go follow my socials. I'm going to leave it in the description. And also, any question that you have, just leave it in the comments. I'm going to be answering all of them.